Is your clutch pedal feeling stiff, causing frequent jerking, stalling, or low pickup? It's time for a new clutch cable. In this video, I'll show you how to replace it yourself, step by step. Unscrew the clutch cable lock nut. Now after measuring the clutch cable thread length, it's time to loosen the cable nut and remove it carefully. Now it's time to remove the cable attached to the firewall by unscrew the 10mm bolt holding the clutch cable mount to the clutch pedal inside the cabin. After removing the clutch cable mounts near the firewall, it's time to go inside the car cabin and unhook the clutch cable attached to the clutch pedal carefully. After unhooking the clutch cable, we need to unscrew the 12mm nut holding the clutch pedal bracket from the mounts attached to the firewall so we can remove the old cable and to install new cable. After removing the two 12mm nuts holding the bracket, it's time to go near the firewall and remove the clutch cable and the mounts attached to the bracket inside. Remove the old clutch cable. It's time to install the new clutch cable from Maruti Suzuki Genesis spares. Now reverse the process and install the new clutch cable to the pedal mount and reinstall it to the firewall. Now hook the clutch cable back to the clutch pedal properly and reinstall the two 12mm nuts back to the mounts and tighten it to 25 Nm torque. And reinstall the two 12mm nuts back to the mounts and tighten it to 25 Nm torque. Now it's the final last steps. Now install the clutch cable back to the transmission and thread the clutch nut and adjust the clutch play. The clutch pedal is 10 mm to 15 mm clutch play. Take a test drive and readjust the clutch according to your need. Thank you for watching my video on how to replace clutch cable. Please leave a like, consider a sub.